Hello guys, this is Madam Case. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm making a lovely fish dish today. Tilapia fish. It's got lovely flavors. So come with me on this journey. Please like, subscribe to my channel. I upload really beautiful, easy to make, tasty dishes that won't break the bank. And that's the most important factor, isn't it? Taste, easy, and affordable. So I got my ingredients here. I got my fish, tilapia I'm using today. Got canned tomatoes, 6 cloves of garlic. Got my all-purpose seasoning, parsley, ground cumin, ground paprika, peri peri, and ground coriander. And I got 2 chopped medium onions, my bay leaves, and salt. So let's crack on. So the first thing to do is to season our fish with the all-purpose seasoning, just like that. You have to be generous with the all-purpose seasoning, so put a little bit more, probably like 2 tablespoons really. Add salt. Okay, so the next thing to do is to put on our pan with oil and let that warm up properly, and then we're going to fry our fish. So I got my pan with oil, and it's been heating up now, and it's properly hot now. So I'm going to fry my fish. Just like so. Be careful. I'm going to fry it until it's nice and brown and the skin is crispy as it can be. After a minute or so, just check to see if it's cooked on one side. And if it's nice and crispy, you just turn it around and let the other side cook. Yes. Oh, that looks beautiful. Crispy skin already on this one. As you can see, our fish is cooked so beautifully now. It's crispy and well fried on both sides. So I'm just going to remove it. Put in a plate. And then I'm going to fry our next batch. Don't worry too much about the oil, like draining it out, because obviously you're going to need that for later on. So no worries, you don't have to drain out the oil. Look how lovely that looks. Isn't that beautiful? It's crispy, it's nice and brown, and that's how you want it to be. So I'm going to continue. All our fish is now done. So I'm going to take out my second batch, add it to the plate with the other fish. But just look at that. That's how you want your fish to look like. Nice and brown, crispy. The next thing to do is to take out some oil, because I'm going to use this same pan. So in that pan, I'm going to add my onions, my garlic, give it a good stir. I think I took out too much oil, so I'm going to add in just a little bit more. Okay. There you go. So just fry your onions and your garlic together. Okay, once your onions and your garlic just a little bit tender, probably like after 2 minutes, I'm going to add my canned tomatoes. So this is a whole can of tomatoes, chopped tomatoes. Stir it together, and then we're going to add our spices. because like I said, it's quite a lot of fish, so I need a little bit more. But if you're cooking less fish than I am, then just adjust your ingredients. So I'm going to put in a whole tablespoon of ground cumin. Just bear with me. A tablespoon of ground coriander. A tablespoon of paprika. And half a tablespoon of parsley. Forgot the name then, I had to check. Okay, there we go. Bit of salt to taste. Then stir it in. And then we're going to let it simmer on low heat for around 10 minutes and let your ingredients just incorporate. Let all your spices cook and your onions and your garlic. Okay, so let's check in. So our pot has been cooking for the last 10 to 15 minutes. You can just see how lovely that sauce has come together. Your onions, your garlic, all your spices together. So the next thing that you want to do is just to add a little bit of water. Let it cook for at least another 10 minutes, and then at the end we'll add our fish. So the next thing is to just add a glass of water. Okay, and then let it just cook some more. Just another 10 minutes. Yes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes now, so let's check into our pot. It is cooking beautifully. Can you see those colors all coming together? So this is now the moment where I put in my bay leaves. Stir it in. Just have a taste of that. Beautiful. I think we just need to add a little bit of salt. And then add our fish. Look at Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, let's check in. We are there. We are done. Look how beautiful that looks. So that's it. Our fish is cooked.